Hey everyone, welcome back to IG Garage. I've got a story for you today that might save you from getting stranded like I almost did. Just last week I was cruising home when my car suddenly started losing power. I managed to pull into a gas station just as the engine stalled. The check engine light was on and I knew I had to figure out what was going on. So, I grabbed my OBD2 scanner and sure enough the P0087 code popped up. Let me walk you through what that code means and how I got my car back on the road. P0087 indicates fuel rail system pressure too low. This code shows up when your engine isn't getting enough fuel pressure, which can cause serious issues like losing power or stalling out completely, just like what happened to me. The fuel rail is responsible for delivering fuel to the injectors at the right pressure, and when that pressure drops, your engine struggles to keep up. After my car stalled, I knew I needed to dig in and figure out what was wrong. I realized that over the past few days my car had been hesitating on acceleration, something I now know was a warning sign. In hindsight, the signs were there: sluggish acceleration, rough idling, and the engine struggling to start, especially when the tank was low. These are all classic symptoms of low fuel pressure, leading to the P0087 code and ultimately, my car stalling. After some digging, I found that my fuel filter was almost completely clogged, restricting the fuel flow and causing low pressure. I replaced the fuel filter, checked that the fuel pump was still in good shape, and inspected the fuel lines for blockages. Once everything was back in order, I cleared the code with my OBD2 scanner and took the car for a test drive. The difference was immediate: no more stalling, smooth acceleration, and the check engine light was gone. I'm glad I caught the issue before it turned into a bigger problem. If you ever see a P0087 code, don't wait to get it checked out. Inspect your fuel filter, pump, and lines to ensure your engine gets the fuel it needs. A little maintenance now can save you a lot of headaches later. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with anyone who might need it, and don't forget to subscribe to IG Garage for more car maintenance tips and stories. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.